guys, welcome to my channel.
And welcome to my channel. I'm Flutterwish.
Make sure to subscribe and don't subscribe to Hershey's Worst. Oh crap!
I have more videos.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm older sister. We're here with my little sister, Airhead. Ari.
Airhead.
You can probably not hear her. So
I have
well.
Robux.
It used to be a noob before. You're just saying. Okay.
Okay, so we're playing hole in the wall, so you can see us die.
No, mostly Flutterwish.
Yeah, that's true.
Flutter. Because she always dies in a lot of
I
games.
love unicorns,
I
but
hate
mostly
unicorns.
peacocks.
If you can't tell, I'm a cat.
I'm a
Can't
cat.
tell. I'm a
Meow.
unicorn
Check
right
me
now.
out. I'm a cat. Meow.
Especially my
Check me
shirt
out.
in my head.
Okay, so. We'll
Oh,
see how this
first
goes.
round. Lucky.
Oh, I'll leave a link to Lulu Cake's video so you can see her perspective and see her die.
Okay, no! See you die. I'm gonna watch your YouTube. Let's see who dies first. Definitely Maya. Definitely.
That's true. It probably will be.
No, I died.
Oh.
No,
well.
but okay. Out of us.
I
now.
died first.
And out of us, who will die first?
I died first, people. I'm sad.
Oh, crab cakes. Well, looks like it was me. What are those?
No!
Okay, that was nice.
No, don't. When Flutterwish dies, I die after that.
I mean, you can call me Maya. I did a name reveal a long time ago.
You can call me Potato
remember.
Stick, Michelle, Lulu, or Cake.
Your name.
Call her potato stick.
Nowhere in your name is it Lulu. You just came up with that.
Yeah, I just came up with
last
it.
week.
And cake.
Now, I didn't came up with that last week. It's been like a few weeks. Probably since like
Who are you inspired by?
I
For
don't
your
know.
name.
I don't know. I
For
really
my
don't
name,
know.
I was obsessed with My Little Pony when I first created my channel.
She was.
My profile picture used to be a My Little Pony.
No! But now she changed it to Gotcha.
Because that's what I like.
We both do Gotcha, you guys, so don't worry.
I
Yeah.
don't.
Oh yeah, we're gonna work on giving Ari a channel. So I'll leave a link to that when she does have one.
And it's gonna be so satisfying.
Sub to all my friends.
Yeah, I made it a slime satisfying video.
And
I love slime.
Ash is my friend. So if you're watching this,
Oh my gosh, keep on dying.
pineapple rules.
Yeah! Watermelon sucks!
Rules.
No, watermelon sucks. Watermelon
This
sucks.
is a huge battle.
I'm gonna kick your
started.
butt if you. Green for pineapple.
What?
What that
Watermelon has green in it too.
Well, freak that.
Frick you.
I want to say a bad word.
They're pretty mean to each other.
No, I died. I wasn't paying attention behind me.
Okay. Ari, have you died?
No.
Yes.
No.
She's
here
dead.
Oh no, I guess that means
Okay,
No, I
first,
died.
one.
I died.
forced to
Oh yeah, I won. First round I died.
Okay,
No,
how
I
much
won.
coins do y'all guys have?
195.
Maya? 1?
I'm just kidding. I have 140.
550.
Wow.
I guess I'm a
Yeah, Me and Maya said wow at the same time.
This
pro. Jinx
is,
can't say it one week.
I
What?
do not care.
No.
I keep on dying. It's hard
You're
on
not
the computer.
dying. You're just falling.
Okay.
I'm falling. The sky's falling.
Guys, I have a question.
What?
I'm not talking to you people. I'm talking to my YouTube channel people.
Oh.
Who should be the next episode of 1 by 1? I was thinking about doing Cookie. What do you guys think?
Cookie.
I wasn't asking you, but okay.
Just saying cookies. But you better give me some cookies since you say
No,
cookie.
the character's name's Cookie.
Cookie. No.
Also, suggest some songs.
Genius.
I'm not talking to you.
Genius.
My
opinion is genius. Oh, she died first. I'm gonna kick your butt.
That's mean.
Oh, I'm still here.
Okay.
Ah!
I'm alive, people. I'm alive. I'm winning.
People.
Those poor people died. Oh
You had to
no.
hear your voice.
I'm still alive.
Yes, that's what I do when I get stressed out.
I'm
Have you
still
know?
alive.
Should we play
recorded the
Baker's
intro
Valleys
once.
before? Ow, you knocked me off. I'm gonna knock you off. Oh, never mind since you fell. Wait, did you fall down?
No.
I'm
I
gonna knock
just
you
died,
down.
people. I just
Come-
died.
Yeah, I knocked you down. See?
You knocked me down when you were so far away from me. Oof.
Oh, don't talk
Yeah,
about that.
let's put a link in the description for on
Stop
another
talking
video
like
for
that.
mine. For mine.
She sounds so funny when she
No,
talks.
My YouTube.
It's not going to be on this video because
I know. I
we're-
said another video.
no.
You guys,
No, I don't do that.
comment down below which. You guys, comment down
What
below.
voice do you like better?
Oh my gosh, can you shush? I'm saying
Comment
something right
on
now.
Michelle's video saying that
She died all the time.
yeet.
Oh, comment on Maya on Flutterwish channel that I'm a banana. I'm a
Okay, so-
banana.
Before we get
Wait,
copyright.
so are we doing a collab?
yeah, this
Collapse? Can we do collapse?
Collab.
Collapse.
A
Collab.
collab is with like a couple people doing it together.
Are you explaining doing
Yeah,
the
some
video
people
together?
may not.
I think this is a collab, okay? Basically, that's what we gotta say.
No!
This,
This is a collab. Michelle died.
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah, you were dead. I can see it.
It's up to me and Maya.
Go, Maya.
Yeah. This is for
Pineapples.
you. Pineapple.
Pineapple
lovers.
drools. I mean, what?
I'm alive. I'm winning.
Oh, Liz is in.
Liza, yay!
Let's go in, people. Let's go in her game.
No, she's in the game.
Oh.
She's like, oh my gosh.
She is. Yay! I'm gonna die for her. I'm gonna
This
die
is my
for her.
friend Lizard.
You can call her Liz,
No,
but I
you
would
can
like to
call
call
her Lizard.
No, that's not her name, Maya.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna say, do you want to be in our video?
Well, she already is. But, you know.
Lisa!
Friends, hug me.
Lisa!
Okay.
Liz.
I spelled me.
She just said
wrong.
yo. We're making a good.
Okay.
She said oi.
Why
I
are
know
you
what
so
oi.
short? This is
Hey,
so
shorty.
unrealistic to what it's like in real
Maya,
life.
hurry up. You're gonna die if you don't die.
She's taller than us, by the way.
Back.
Oh,
Oh, Flutterwish died. That was funny.
say Maya.
Why?
Liz died. It's up to me and Michelle.
Pineapple rules.
Well, I died.
Watermelon drools.
I died. So Michelle wins.
Yeah, baby, I always win. Told you.
I apologize
For that
For
bad
weirdness.
language.
if you
Not bad.
are
You know.
subscribed to her,
No! 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 Screw
Yeah.
y'all guys.
feel free to just subscribe so you can unsubscribe.
Oh, I was
me
about to
too.
say something else.
That would just make me happy and then sad, and that's what nice.
Okay, this boy is
Also-
funky.
Happy early
No, my bad.
Funky to celebrate.
No, that's not
I'm on
funky. That's not
break,
funky.
so-
She just said She said BRB.
I
Did
have
she leave?
nothing to do except lay in bed and eat food. That's all I've been doing.
I usually.
This is what I do. I just go.
I stayed in bed all day yesterday.
You guys, comment down
Except
below
for eating.
if you guys shush.
I ate a burger yesterday.
My, you better not push me, ice cream cone. Ice cream cone, I'll push you.
I'm so sorry.
Alpha Wolf came back.
Her name is A Wolf. A Wolf 74.
Alpha Wolf, I
Someone
call her.
said, "Let's play Noob versus Dinosaurs."
I died.
I can see you right now.
I'm with Liz. I'm with
Shh.
Liz.
And people in your
Or
team.
I'll spit on your ice cream cone.
That would be
It
bad.
did not let me move. That is not fair, people.
That is fair.
What do you mean? Liz died too. Yay! Now she's with me.
I'm still alive. Oh, I'm the winner.
No, I died after you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You had it because of her. What should we play next? Baker's Valley?
That will be another video because we only have 5 more minutes left to record on this video. Because this thing's free.
Yeah, we're all in the same chat except for someone else named.
This is Haya.
This is Haya. Hi, Haya. Haya.
No, I'm up on it.
Why do they call something a papaya?
Because papaya.
I want to say ocean real fast. Can I say it?
No, this is a child-friendly. Actually, after
Ocean. Yeah, ocean 3 times.
after 1 by 1, that might
Pink,
have
pink,
a
pink,
little
pink,
bit
pink,
of
pink, pink, pink,
cussing. I'm
pink.
not sure.
What about we say rainbow real fast? Rainbow.
I'm lazy,
rainbow.
so that is something I want to do every now and then. Because I really only came up with ideas for
Okay, let's see. Do not touch
Wish
blue.
Jacob.
Don't
I don't
touch
have any ideas
blue.
for anybody else because I don't really feel like writing stuff
Guys,
down.
comment down below which one will win.
Me.
Me.
I just died.
Yep.
I wasn't paying attention.
And also comment down below what game do you want us to play next.
People. I'm playing with Liz.
Yeah, comment what you want us to play next.
No!
Me and Liz are playing Boys and Girls Dance Club.
Oh.
I don't know why.
Please don't do anything really hard unless you want to see Dad.
She's lying, guys. She doesn't know where you guys live.
Huh?
You don't know where they live. Are you stalking them or something?
Who knows where we live?
I said where they live, dummy. Control.
I know where I live.
Oh, come on.
On the Earth.
Of course people live on Earth.
Are you sure I know?
There's 100 Earths inside the Earth.
What?
I totally said that right. Math equation, yes.
Diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond. Heck no, I'm getting this time.
I'm
I'm gonna die! I survived.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's so amazing. Wait, I have nothing. It's not really that amazing.
I'm on top of the world,
I'm
hey.
at my school, people. I'm popular for being unpopular.
So you guys, next
Because
video we might
teleported to me.
Why would I be popular?
You guys,
I like math.
I want you
Okay.
to say on Flutterwish's channel, yeet, you suck.
Please don't. But on your
Fine.
channel, you can say yeet.
How about
Just yeet.
ice cream cone yeet? Ice cream cone yeet.
Call me an ice cream cone head.
Yeah, ice cream cone head. That's what I get if I win for some of the rounds.
Okay.
Ari, are you still alive?
No,
Airhead.
I'm playing.
Oh, she's playing. Oh.
I'm gonna do my outro soon because we have like 2 minutes left. To
Hey,
record.
can you launch my tab?
I died, you guys.
charger?
I died. Maya, please don't leave. If you leave, I'll leave.
I'm about to do my outro when the timer hits 14 minutes.
Okay,
Okay,
me
guys.
too.
So
And now, how about
How was your life?
14 something?
yeah, because we only have 15 minutes to record.
Yeah, that's true, you guys. It takes a
Wow.
little too long.
That's
Okay, where should we stand?
Um.
I'm gonna stand wherever I want.
I'm gonna stand on a rock. Oh no.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope give a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm gonna finish to do this thing, cause this
Bye,
little
guys.
brat. No!
Hope you have a lovely day.
I'm running away from the wall.
Remember, go comment on
Subscribe.
Lulu Cake's video and comment saying yeet.
Okay, remember guys to go
Bye.
to Flutterwish's channel and check out
have
her
a good
channel
day
and
or night.
subscribe. And make
How
sure
many
to
times
say
do I gotta
ice
say
cream
bye?
cone.
Bye.
Ice cream head. Bye guys. We miss you.
Maya, can you unplug?
No.